What tool do you think we could use to select that blue color and make it some other color? Probably the quick select, I would think, for something like that. And remember, you can zoom in, you can pan around, and if it takes too much, you can use the Option key to grab your Subtract from Selection tool. I just want to quickly run over the process for making the color change on this. Basically, I used the Quick Select tool. I selected everything. Then I gave it a hue and saturation adjustment layer, which is this little rectangle here. This is the layer mask for it, which is revealing the color changing effect. So the nice thing about this adjustment layer is it's totally non-destructive. We can play around with colors after the fact. And with the layer mask, if anything got missed, let's say, for example, I hadn't gotten this little part over here. Remember, with the layer mask, if you paint white, you can reveal the color changing effect. So if you miss something, just go back with a paintbrush and paint some white over top of it. And always look around to make sure that everything got included. Like maybe the bottom of the door frame didn't quite get it, or whatever, around plants. Look for stuff like that. Some of the plants actually were getting their color changed.